On this video, we will show you how to assemble the Aluprof 8500 electric drive system. And we have started to put all the parts on the table, so we are ready to assemble. We start with the drive belt and put it in one side of the track. And then in the other end, we will put the end drive wheel. And now we continue pushing in the drive belt. It will automatically go around this end cap and come back in this end again. So now the drive belt is in the profile. Then we put in the drive belt assembler and lock it. Then the wheel from the wheel carrier. Then we put the motor end drive. Put on the other belt assembler and lock it. And the other wheel for the wheel carrier. Then we put in the roller gliders. Now we have the lid and we have two curtain hooks. The curtain hooks are to be put on the motor drive in one end and the end wheel in the other end. You should normally just enclose it with in the shipment so that the end user can decide for himself where to put it. As you can see, there are several holes that fits to the hook. So just put it in the package, and the end user can decide for himself. It's the same in the other end. There you can also put the curtain hook. Now there is a lid for the motor drive, and this is only used if you want to use a motor drive in both ends of the curtain track. If you want to have it the same and the possibility to change the motor from left to right, you can choose to build all your tracks with motor drives in each end. And then you need a lid to cover the place where the motor is put on the motor drive with the bayonet. So this was the assembling of the Aluprof 8500. Very easy and very simple. Now we will show how to cut the rail and cut the